As I was helping my grandaunt with her insulin because she's a diabetic, the thought dawned on me while I was asking her if the needle went down for her to push the insulin in the injection into her body. And she replied, "Not yet." Then I asked a couple seconds after, "Still?" She replied, "Soon." Then something led me to stop asking every couple seconds and just be patient, because I'm starting to wonder if me asking the questions slow down the process of the needle to pierce her skin. Then suddenly my mind wandered at the times where I did not want any interruption, like when taking a pill. I have a hard time at times swallowing pills, but I eventually get it done when there is silence. But there are times when my mom would be around and she would keep asking, "It not gone down yet?" Or in standard English, "It hasn't gone down as yet?" Or "I wanna pill take so long for swallow?" Well, she would laugh at me in a playful way, which I understand cause that's my mom at times. For you, well, that's how we both would make fun of each other in a light, playful way. Anyways, I'm just trying to say at times we just need complete silence to finish a task. And I believe God gives us situations or trials in our lives to make it an example of how we should treat others, just as how we would want to be treated during our seasons of trials. And it makes it easier to understand what another is going through and how you can make it better or the burden lighter knowing you went through a similar situation. It gives us insight on the outside of what we look like through our situations and how we would like it to be fixed. This way of thinking brings me to the scripture of Luke chapter 6 verse 31 from the New International Version. "Do to others as you would have them do to you," or as in the James Version, "And as you would that men should do to you, do he also to them likewise." So, to narrow it down, I believe God gives us certain circumstances to be able to help another through what we have learned through our circumstances, to help us to understand another by going through a similar situation, to give us insight as how we ought to be treated or how we ought to treat others.